Yeah, 0580 paper 12 is mathematics. It's non-calculator, the core paper. Let's go for the first question. Write number 16,072 in figures. So 16,072, 16,000 then 72, which is 072. Okay, so next one, write 3/4 as a decimal. 3/4 is going to be 3/4. As a decimal, we have to make denominator 100 will be easy. So times 25 times 25, it's going to be 75 over 100, which is equal to 0.75. 0.75 is the answer here. Next one, a percentage. Percentage is divided by 100, which is 75% here. Next, write down the value of square root of 36. Square root of, so 36 we can write 6 times 6. So this is square root, so when two numbers sum, so we can bring it out 6. This is 6 is the answer. Next, 10 cube, 10 times 10 times 10, which is 1000. Next, the diagram shows a line AB and the point P. Measure the length of line AB in millimeters. First, use ruler and measure the length, because the 0 point is here, and the length you will get approximate around 83 centimeter. So they asked us the millimeter. It's not 83, sorry. You will get around 8.3 centimeter. So now we have to change into millimeter. So millimeter, we have to multiply by 10, then it's become a millimeter. So 8.3 multiplied by 10, which is going to be 83. So 83 millimeter. Next, draw the line through the point P perpendicular. So use your protractor and place, this is the way, protractor here. So from this point, choose the 90-degree here, just make a dot. Okay, then remove this protractor and draw a straight line through this point to this point. So that is going to be 90-degree here. Next question, question number 5. Complete the statement. 10 weeks in how many days? So which is 1 week is 7 days. 10 times 7 is going to be 70 days. Next, shade 2/5 of this rectangle. First, we don't know what is 2/5 of this, so first we need to count how many is there. So 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 times 5, there are 35 is there out of 35. Okay, there are 35 boxes. So what is given? 2/5. So 2/5, just make denominator is 35, which is we need to multiply a 7 and 7 here, which is 14 over 35. So 14 boxes we need out of 35. 14 is going to be shaded now. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 2 boxes. So just shade this, and here all the boxes just shade. Okay, that's the answer here. So simply we can this first box full and the second box also. There are 14 going to be shaded. Next, find the value of reciprocal 1 by 3. 1 by 3, when reciprocal, just we need to swap upside down, which is 3 by 1. So denominator 1 is not required, just we can write as 3. Write 2 power minus 3 as a fraction. So 2 power minus 3, when we change to 2 power negative 3, when we change into the negative positive, so it become 1 by 2 cube. So the value is 1 by 2 cube is 2 times 2 times 2, which is going to be 8. So the answer is 1 over 8. Next, put one pair of bracket into each calculation to make it correct. So negative 16, so negative 12, so negative 12, and negative 4, which is -8. So it is negative. Yeah, we can make it's here a bracket. So which is 2, we are using the Bodmas rule. 2 minus 1 is -1. This is going to be -1. So 4 divided by -1 is going to be -4. So -12 minus -4 is going to be -16. So the bracket is here. The next one, -5. -5, 4 plus 9, 9 minus, yeah, so just put a bracket here. So bracket always first. So 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 minus 7 is 2. So outside there is a negative, -3, -2 is going to be -5. The bracket is here. Next question, write these fractions in order starting with the smallest. So it is going to be, we have to make a same denominator everywhere. That will be easier. So the LCM is 24, all of multiple of 24. So this one as it is, okay, this one make a 24, 24. So we multiply a 3 denominator, so numerator also we have to multiply a 3. Here multiply by 2, so 22 here. Next multiply by 8, so 24, so here 16. Next multiply a 6, 24, here is 18. Next one as it is, because there is already 24. So here look at here, which one is, because starting with smallest, so smallest one is going to be 13 by 14. So 30 is 13 by 24. So 13 by 24 is the first one. Then next next smallest one is 15. So 5 by 8 is going to be the next one, because this one. Next one is going to be 16, which is 2 by 3. Next one is going to be 18, which is 3 by 4. Next one going to be 22, which is 11 by 12. This is the order. Next 10, here a grade is given. So the first one, draw a net of cuboid on 1 cm. Okay, we'll draw a cuboid. So cuboid has a length is 5 centimeter. With the cuboid, this is the cuboid. Okay, this is not clear, but yeah, so length is 5 and the width is 2, the height is 3. So a cuboid, first is, I'll take the back side one, this is 5 and the height is going to be 3. So 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1, just draw 5, 1 2 3 4 5. The height is going to be 3 here. This is the back side. Okay, then the side, both the side is going to be 2 the length, 2, and the height is going to be 3. This is one side, here is another side. Okay, then it's a downside. Yeah, the height is going to be 2 and yeah, 2 and still 5. Next the front side, which is 3 and 5. Okay, then the top one is 5 and 2. This is the net. Next, work out the volume of the cuboid. So volume is 5 times 2 times 3, because length times width times height. 5 times 2 times 3. Each one, the unit is centimeter. So centimeter times centimeter times centimeter is going to be centimeter cube. 5 times 2, 10, 10 times 3 is 30 centimeter cube is the answer here. Next one. Question 11, there are some numbers you are given. Write down the mode. Mode is most repeated number, which is 2 here. Next, work out the range. Range is highest minus lowest, which is 7 here. Next, work out the median. Median is going to the mid one. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So even. So we have to make a mid one. So which is add this 2, make it divided by 2. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 by 2 is 2.5. Next is work out the mean. Mean we should add everything and divide by number of numbers. So which is 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus, we need to count 0 also because 0 also one of the data here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. So 2 plus 4 7 14 18 18 over 6, which is going to be 3. So 3 is the mean here. Next question, Tim has a method for multiplying a number of 99. Okay, he shows his method as 53 times 99. The method is given. So same method, we are finding the answer. 53 by 99 is here. So 85 times 99. So we'll multiply 85 times 100, then take away 85 here, which is 8500 minus 85. Just to take away here, 8500 minus 85 is going to be, take borrow here. So it's become 4, this become 10, now this become 9, this become 10, 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 8 is 1, 4, 8, 8, 4, 1, 5 is the answer here. Next one, a quadrilateral has a geometrical properties: 4 equal length of sides, 2 lines of symmetry, and rotational symmetry of order 2. So yeah, 4 equal sides is whether is square or rhombus, 2 lines of symmetry. Okay, rotational symmetry of order 2, this is matter, this is only rhombus. In square there is a rotational symmetry of 4. When you rotate 360 degree 4 times, you will get the same figure, but as a rhombus, like you will get only two times the same figure. So it's only a rhombus here. Next, write down 2 geometrical properties of rectangle. So rectangle properties: opposite sides are equal and parallel, and all angles are equal, which is 90 degree. Next one, question C. The parallel sides of a trapezium have length 6 cm and 4 cm. The area of the trapezium. So area of the trapezium is formula a plus b by 2 times height equal to 15 is given, but both the sides are given parallel sides, which is 6 plus 4 by 2 times height equal to 15. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 by 2 times height equal to 15. So just make it, this is 5. So h equal to 15 over 5, which is h equal to 3. So we got the height. So one side is going to be, so we are going to draw 6 here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so the height is going to be 3. 1 2 3. Here we need to draw a 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, draw. Okay, so here is going to be the height. This is 3 and here is 6 centimeter. Here is 4 centimeter. Next one, complete the table of values y equal to x plus 3 and x minus 2. Just plug in here negative 3, both things. So this become negative 3 plus 3 and another one become negative 3 negative 2. So this is going to be 0. 0 times anything is going to be 0 here. Next one, when you plug in negative 1 plus 3 equal to 2, and here is negative 3, it's going to be we are going to negative 1, so which is 2 times negative 3 is going to be -6. When you plug in 0, 3 times -6 you will get. So when you plug in here 0, here you will get 6. Okay, so now this value we need to plot in the grid, okay, which is -4 comma 6, -4, -4 and 6 is going to be here. Next one, -3 comma 0, it's going to be here. Next, -2 comma -4 is going to be here. Next, -1 comma -6 is here. Next, 0 comma -6, 0 comma -6 is here. Then 1 comma -4 is going to be here. Next, 2 comma 0. Next, 3 comma 6. So I'll draw the graph now. It's a quadratic, it's going to be a U graph. You should connect all this freehand drawing because I didn't draw proper. So you should connect all these points. So I'm supposed to connect here and here. Okay, what's the next question? Write down the coordinates of the lowest point on the graph. Lowest point approximate, we will get somewhere here, which is, yeah, -6 point, yeah, 0.5 to -6.5. -0.5 and -6.5. Next one, write down the symmetry point. Symmetry point always here, the lowest point. This is equal to x equal to -0.5. The turning point where the line is turning here, you'll get two coordinates, some x and y. So this always is a symmetry point. When we draw a symmetry line, this equal to, so x equal to, we'll write always this point. Use your graph to solve this equation. So now equal to 3. So y equal to 3. Just draw a line on equal to. So I'm not going to get the accurate value. Just draw with the ruler here. This where the 3 is coming. So where they intersect, just check on the like x-axis. You will get that value. So you will get the first one is negative 3.6. Second one is going to be 2.5. You will get second one is going to be 2.5. Next, question number 15. Beth thinks of a positive number n and she squares n, then subtract. So n square subtract 55, the answer is 9. So now calculating this, n square equal to, just bring this 55 to right side, is going to be positive. N square equal to 64. N equal to plus or minus square root of 64. Whenever square root of the square right side is going to be square root, we must put plus or minus. N equal to plus or minus 8. But here we are going to choose n equal to 8 and n equal to -8. There is two value, but some condition is given. If the condition is not given, then this question has two answers. But the condition will be Beth thinks a positive number. So we have to choose only the positive. N equal to 8 is the answer here. Next, question 16. The diagram shows the point P and three triangles ABC on 1 centimeter square grid. The first question, find the area of a triangle B. So triangle, area of the triangle, half into base into height. So half into, what is the base? Base 1, 2. 2, then height is going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this 90 degrees, so 6. This got cancelled, so the answer is going to be 6. So the first answer is going to be 6 centimeters square. Next, write down the coordinate of P. The P is here. First, always check x coordinates, that 4, and the y coordinate is -3. Next one, work out the coordinates of P after translation, the vector -20 and 12. So the thing is, see 20 units left and 12 units up. So here we have to put -20 and here you have to put +12. That's it. This coordinate is moving. So for -20 is going to be -16 and -3 plus 12 is going to be 9. This is the answer here. Next one, draw image of triangle A after reflection of y equal to -1. So triangle A, y equal to -1, y equal to -1. This is the line, y equal to -1. Okay, so this is our y equal to -1. This A is going to be reflected. So one point here, one point here, another point here, another point. Because this distance is 1, so we have to go here also 1. Because a mirror point, same distance going to be cover. And here 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So the figure is going to be like this. This is the reflection. So we done that. Next one, describe full single transformation that a triangle A onto triangle B. Triangle A onto triangle B. Obviously, this not reflection or not rotation. This is enlargement. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 becomes 6. Scale factor 2. So first we write enlargement. So scale factor 2, then we need to find the center also. The center is very simple. We need to connect all the points. So here this point just connect. So the line is straight line. Now use a ruler and connect these two lines and draw the longer one. So you will get this. Sorry, you have to use a ruler, so you'll get like this. So where the lines meet here, so this point is going to be the center. So the center is going to be -1, 0. So -1, 0. Next, triangle A onto triangle C. Triangle A onto triangle C. Yeah, use a tracing paper. So use a tracing paper and draw this and just rotate and find the center. So right rotation. Okay, so 90-degree clockwise. Center 2, 3. That you are going to get. The next question, by writing each number in the calculation, correct one significant figure. Find an estimate for the value of this one significant figure, 17.8. So we have to round by one number, which is going to be from left side. The first number we have to round, so it's going to be 20, because check the next number. This is 7. If it's 5 or less, so we can write 1. So if less than 5, we can write is 10. If it's 5 or more, we should write out 20. So 20 plus here, yeah, here also one decimal place, so we have to round off here. Check the next number is less than 5, so we are writing 10. Denominator from left, first place, so it is going to be 6 here. So 30 over 6, which is going to be 5. 5 is the answer. Find the highest common factor HCF of 66 and 110. So 66, so 2 and 33 and 3 and 11. Same 110, which is going to be 2, 55 and 5 and 11. So write 66 equal to 2 into 3 into 11, and 110 equal to 2 into 5 into 11. The highest common, so bring only the common number 2 and 11. So 2 times 11, which is going to be 22, is the answer for HCF. Next one, P is a prime number. Write down the value of P satisfy the inequality. So they are taking a prime number between 13 and 19. So 13 and 19 is not going to be included because there is no equal to between the one number is prime, that is 17. Next, write down the inequality represented on the number line. So here is negative 2 to 7, negative 2. Here is a dark one, so it's going to be less than or equal to. Here is x, put x here, and here is not shaded one, so only less than 7. That means negative 2 is included and 7 is not included. Next, question 20, use set notation to describe the shaded region. So here is nothing, so this is a whole set, and J and K all together. So J union K, we took the union. Next question, work out 2 7 by 9 times 1 1 by some mixed number. Okay, so 9 times 2, 18, 18 plus 7, which is 25 over 9. Here is a times. Here also change into mixed to improper. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1, which is 6 over 5. So we can reduce it. This is 5 times table, 1 times 5, 5 times 25. So 3 times table, 3 and 2. So 5 times 2 is 10 over 3. 10 over 3. How many 3's are there in 10? Which is 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. Left is 1. So 3. So 3 1 by 3 is the answer here. Next question, the mass mkg of stone 3.2 kg, correct nearest 100. So it's like after two decimal places, the answer going to be two decimal place. So complete the statement. Okay, this is bound, upper bound and lower bound. We need to write the lower bound is going to be 3.15. The upper bound is just 0.5 increase and decrease. So 3.25. So the answer is 3.15 and 3.25. Next, factorize 9x minus 6xy. So both common, highest common is 3, both can divide by 3 times table. Also one x is common. The left is going just to divide 3x in both 3x. When we divide, so we'll get only 3, and here we'll get 2y. That's the answer here, 3x into 3 minus 2y. Next, expand and simplify 2x plus 3 and x minus 4. First multiply here, multiply here. So 2x times x, 2x square, minus 2x times 4 is 2 times 4 is 8x. Next, this and this. So 3 times x is 3x, and minus 3 times negative 4, negative 12. So 2x square negative like times we will take together, minus 8x plus 3x, which is going to be negative 5x, negative 12. So the answer is 2x square negative 5x negative 12. Next, question 24. So simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation, here no term same. So at least one will make it same. So I'm planning to make it this y is same. So the first here down there is 4. Up I am going to make 4. So entire equation I'll multiply at 2 here. So first equation 10x plus 4y equal to 12. So second equation as it is 3x plus 4y equal to 27. So sorry, this is 6 because I multiply at 2, sorry. So when I take away, I need to take away both the equation because both are the same sign. So this is gone because 4y minus 4y is 0. So 10x minus 3x equal to 7x. Here also 6 minus 27 equal to negative 21. So 7x equal to negative 21. X equal to negative 21 over 7. X equal to negative 3. So the answer is x is negative 3. And y, just substitute this, plug in this one to any one of the equation here. So I'll substitute in the first equation 5 times negative 3 plus 2y equal to 3. So negative 15 plus 2y equal to 3. So 2y equal to 3. I'll bring 15 to other side, is going to be positive. So 2y equal to 18. So y equal to 18 over 2. Y equal to 9. So y answer is going to be 9. Okay, next question number 25. The diagram shows a shape made from two different semicircles with the same center. Radius of the small one is given, radius of the bigger one is given. So work out the perimeter. Perimeter, just we need to find this arc, this length, this length, this length, and entire this length. This is called the perimeter or the outer length. Okay, semicircle, this is like circumference formula. The full circle circumference formula is 2 pi r. So the semicircle circumference formula is going to be, so just divided by 2, which is 5r. So smaller one I'll take pi r, so pi times 4. The bigger one is going to be 7 is the radius, so 5 times 7 plus I need to add this here, some extra length is there. So here to here is, this is 4 centimeter, this is 4, this is 4, and this is 4. We know this entire length is going to be 7 because this is a radius of the bigger one. So 4 is gone. So this is 3 and this is 3. So we should add a 3 plus 3. So the answer is going to be, this is 4 pi, this is 7 pi plus 6. So 4 pi plus 7 pi is going to be 11 pi plus 6. So final answer 11 pi plus 6. So write this way, because the answer is asked in terms of pi, so we are leaving 11 pi plus 6. Okay, that's the end of the paper.